Hello, my name is Gayana. We continue learning Lezginka movements. Now we will learn so-called triangle movement. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you are in this position. As you remember, the first thing that you do with your right leg, but you move to the left corner, let's say. You do 1. Then you fix your left leg 2 and you're still in plie position. So never get out from this position. Keep it. You do 1, 2. Now left leg goes back 3, right leg goes back 4. So again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do the same thing starting with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another thing that you need to understand is your back. Keep it isolated. Upper body is isolated from your legs and all this stuff. Keep it plie. And whatever you do in this movement, do it this way. So you see, pam, 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 pam. We need to be fixed. Okay, now we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back. Okay, here I'm standing. I start with my right leg moving this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what can we do with our hands? We can keep them in this position, either this position. It's the easiest way. How we get into this position? Look, your hand goes like this, and you fix it. If you start with your right one, you fix it. So if we move with right leg, we should keep this way our hands. I will do it from back. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the medium speed that you need to achieve is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will try it with music.